Hello student, welcome back to our grammar classes. Today, in last video we have done noun and today we will do pronoun. Just I am telling you, just listen, we will go to the topic afterwards. Sonu is a good boy. Sonu is a good boy. Sonu play cricket very well. Sonu is very intelligent in studies. Sonu's father and parents are very intelligent. Their nature is very good. Sonu is a brilliant boy. He is very good in Sonu is very good in studies. See what I did? I used Sonu, Sonu, Sonu in 5 sentences. So I have used what? Sonu. Sonu is the name. So I have used noun everywhere. Sonu is this, Sonu is this, Sonu is this. So instead of Sonu, if we are using he or his, then that is pronoun. Understood, children? So today's our topic is what? Our topic is pronoun. So what is pronoun now? What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that use in place of noun. In place of Sonu, if I will say, suppose I say Sonu is a good boy, he is very good in studies, his parents are very good. See, I have used Sonu is a good boy, he is very intelligent, his parents. So his, he and his, they are what? They are pronoun. So the word which is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Understood? Okay. Now pronoun, word that we use in place of noun are pronoun. Pronoun are word to replace noun to avoid same of repetition. Why we use pronoun? So that there will be no repetition, no Sonu, Sonu again. Instead of that we will use he, his, or suppose girl is there, we will say she or her. Okay. Now pronoun are words that are used instead of noun in speaking and writing. And when we speak and when we write, we use this pronoun. Okay. Now a pronoun is a word, is also a subject in a sentence. It is put as a subject. He is a good boy. He is what here? Subject. Suppose he is dancing. He is what here? He is subject here. Okay. Now a pronoun is also an object of a sentence. It is subject also and object also. See here, we are glad to see her. Her is what here? It is pronoun, but it is object also. Okay. Now a pronoun also has a number. A pronoun has a number. What? Singular and plural. I, you, she, he, it, they are what? They are singular. We use, suppose, and plural. We, you will see the table, then you will come to know. We, you, they are plural. We use for plural, more number. Now we will see kinds of pronoun. Pronoun is clear now. What? Pronoun is used in place of noun. Instead of noun, no repetition is there. Kinds of pronoun. First we will see personal pronoun is there. Sorry. Demonstrative pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, an emphasizing pronoun and a relative pronoun. We will see one by one. Today we will discuss personal pronoun and personal and demonstrative we will discuss today. Then in next video we will discuss all this. Okay. So now personal pronoun we will see first. Okay. See, personal pronoun are used in place of names of people and thing. Name of person. a personal pronoun can replace the subject or object in a sentence. We can replace the subject. See here, example we will see. We can go with him to the book fair. What it is? Subject is here and here fair. Him also we have personal pronoun can replace the subject or the object in a sentence. Now here the word, which are the word used as a personal pronoun, we will see. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, them and their are called personal pronoun. See now, we will go in detail. There are 3 persons. In personal pronoun we have 3 persons, that is first person, second person and third person. We will see what is first person, second person and third person with the help of the table. Here, see the table. See here, first person, person, singular and plural. We have to this keep in mind which is singular, plural, which these are their words which are, don't mix both. See, first person we are using I, me, mine, and singular will speak first, okay. Then second person you, your. Third person he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, okay. Now come to plural. Plural, first person we, us, our, you, your. Then third person they, them, their. So first person, this line you remember. For singular I, me, mine, plural we, us, our. Then second you, your, here also second person plural also will be same, okay, second. Third he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs. This table you have to remember, okay. Now first person, what is first person? The pronoun which refer to the person or person speaking are called of the first person. Suppose I am speaking, I am first person. I am speaking to whom? I am speaking to you. So you are what? Your second person. If I am speaking to you and about your friend, so that your friend will be the third person. Understood? We'll see here. Okay. So this is capital here. I, we, us, me, mine, us, etc. are first person. Second person, the person which refer to the person or person spoken are called pronoun of the second. I am speaking to you, you are second, I am first person. Example, you, yours. See, second, again I am repeating, second person, the pronoun which refer to the person or person spoken to are called pronouns of the second person. Example, you, your, etc. Now, third person is who? Suppose I told you, I am speaking to you and I am speaking to you about your friend or about your sister. That sister or your friend will be the third person, okay. Example, he, she, it, they, them, his, hers, etc. Theirs and this. When third person, when referring to a collective noun as a singular unit, the personal pronoun must be used in the singular number only. Example, if we are speaking, the army was well trained, it defeated the enemy soundly. Army is what? We have studied in collective noun. So army is what? Army is collective noun. So it should go with the, see, when referring to a collective noun as a singular unit, the personal pronoun must be used in singular number only, singular. Defeated the enemy soundly. See here, Army is what? Collective noun, and it is a unit. Now come to next. Personal pronoun. If two nouns are different gender, what happen? If two nouns are different gender, masculine gender we have and feminine gender. Do you remember, children? Masculine gender and feminine gender, we have two gender. Okay. Now personal pronoun. If two nouns are different gender, the pronoun takes the gender of the noun close to it. How it is? Suppose, example we'll see. Every man and woman took the seat assigned to her. To her means what it is? It takes the gender of the noun closest to it. Close. What is the which gender is close to the to it? See, every man will not take the gender of here. Will not write here his. Will write her. Woman is close. Okay. So closest to it. So we have taken here her. Okay. I hope you are getting me. Now demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrate means what? Demonstrate means what? To demonstrate, to indicate the specific person or thing being talked about in a sentence. To demonstrate means what we say? This is my car. That is his car. We'll see a pronoun which demonstrate a noun, an object, a complement, etc. We say no, she is having very beautiful dress. See, that flower is very beautiful. See, so we give compliment. That is called compliment. So here a pronoun which demonstrate a noun, an object, a complement, etc. They are what? Demonstrative pronoun. Example: these are beautiful flowers. These are beautiful. That we are giving compliment to what? Flower. Okay. Here now next we'll see a demonstrative pronoun is used to point out the object to which it refer. Means they are this. This is my bed. That, these and those. So see now here, this and that refer to things near at hand. I'll say this is my purse, this is my kerchief. No, this means which is close to me. See now the window, the fan is far from me. I'll say what? I'll say that and those, that which is at the lying at a distance. Distance will say see that tree. It is far, so it is at the distance. If something is very close to us, we'll say what? This and that refer to thing which is near to us, which is very close to us. How will point out? This and that, and which is lying at a distance, very far. Okay, far from us. Will begin the sentence with that and those. Now see here, those are my books. Those. So those means it is lying far. It may be lying far. So we'll say those book. Okay. If it is very close, we'll say this is my book. Those are your books. Okay. Okay, for today we'll do till here. Now children, what you have to do is you have to take chapter 1 of English grammar, first page, the best Christmas. From there you just underline, take one short paragraph. Okay, this is oral homework work I am giving. Take a short paragraph. There you underline pronoun. You know what is pronoun now? Just underline pronoun. Okay, and that you first you write, you take your reader and then underline all the pronouns. what I have taught. So we have till here we have done first video. I told you that you have to make what, 5 noun, collective noun, this. I hope you have done. Yes or no? You might have done or not done, no problem. We'll do the exercise later on. I have given some exercise also you can do, and you can go through this and underline only you have to underline the pronoun. You know what is pronoun? Pronoun, what? It is used in place of noun. No repetition. We are not repeat sonu sonu or mono mono. We will not repeat. Instead of that we are using he, his, him. That we'll use for this gender. Remember, masculine gender, feminine gender. Don't mix. If he, we are talking about he, means he, his, him will take. If she, then her, hers. Okay? Okay. Till then, we'll meet in next video with the remaining topic we'll discuss. Okay. Thank you.